some others. The names of these all. This new boxing class something, man. Like totally. It's beautiful over here. Another awesome buildings, a lot of shops in the neighborhood. Star Express Salon, anybody? And of course we have Day Fresh as well here, yummy treats and all. Look at these flowers, my God, what flowers and all. It's beautiful as ever. Oh my God, there's a huge puddle coming up. So of course I'm going to beautiful supermarket here in my neighborhood. So of course it's Day Fresh, same reach in Arby's as well, my God. Other groceries as well, my of course Jan Salon here. Don Nornabi. Oh my God. Delivery bicycles, laundries as well. Of course the metro, you see the metro at a distance, oh my God. Enjoying my awesome day, alhamdulillah. It's a beautiful umbrella, 10 years or more. Don't believe it. This beautiful Patli Gali, oh my God, it's awesome. No cats. Yeah, look at these awesome flower pots hanging around. A little bit of my town here, guys, in this video. Of course, we have a little tank so you can have water anytime. Oh my God, hello, hope you're awesome. Oh my God. Another convenience shops, whatever. Kleenex, anybody? Cling wraps and all lots for. Oh my God, finally a cat. It's a little darling thingy.